The Republicans in control of the West Virginia Senate voted down a ban on child marriage this week. The political party that loves to attack all of their opponents as groomers, the political party that loves to tell us they are protecting children, had the opportunity this week in West Virginia to protect children from child marriage, and instead said, nah, it's kind of a tradition here in West Virginia. And I'm not saying that as an attack on West Virginians. That's actually what they said. So under current law, which is now going to be the only law since they're not going to revise it, in West Virginia, if you are 16 years of age, you can legally get married as long as your parents say that's cool. But if you're under 16, you have to get permission not from your parents, from a judge. And if the judge says yes, then hey, guess what, 12-year-old? Go buy a wedding dress, you're going to walk down the aisle because the judge said yeah. That's the law. The proposed piece of legislation, which for the record did pass the Republican-controlled West Virginia State House, would have put an end to that. Like, no, it doesn't matter if a judge says you can, doesn't matter if your parents say you can, you got to wait till you're an actual adult and can vote in order to get married. It just kind of makes sense. But as I said, it's tradition in West Virginia, isn't it? Here is what State Republican Senator Mike Stewart, a former federal prosecutor, had to say about this. He said it wasn't a vote against women. Said his mother was married when she was 16, and 6 months later I came along. I'm the luckiest guy in the world. So, because your mom got pregnant when she was either 15 or 16, then was obviously, forced to get married, because that's the way it sounds. Like, you got yourself pregnant, we're going to have a shotgun wedding here. And then 6 months later, you were born as the luckiest guy in the world, gosh darn it. There's literally no floor in the state of West Virginia where a person can be deemed too young to get married if you get that judge's permission. A friggin' 2-year-old could get married if one judge says, yep, go for it. And y'all couldn't even outlaw that? All because your mom had you when she was in her early teens? This is insane. Republicans are the real groomers. Like, can we all just agree on that? Republicans are the groomers. They're the ones who want children to be walking down the aisle. They're the ones who refuse to do anything to protect our children from any of the real threats that they face, whether it's guns in schools, whether it's environmental degradation, or whether it's Republican predators who want to marry a 12-year-old. Republicans are the threat to our children. This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.